You can book your device in for a repair in a few easy steps. Step 1. Find the repair you are looking for on our site. You can do this from the drop-down or use the search box in the top right corner. Once you have found the repair you are looking for, click on it to display the service. You can review all the details about the service. Once ready, press the Add to Basket option. We may need to test the device further once at our premises. If so, please provide as much detail in the order notes and a password or PIN code. This allows our technicians to be able to test the device after the repair is completed. Please fill in your details such as email, phone number, and your home or work address. If you are local to our shop, then you may select drop-off in store. We also offer local pickup, or you can ship the device to us for repair. If you provide a telephone number, we can keep you updated with progress updates on your repair. There is a number of ways to get the device to us for repair. This includes a prepaid label both ways with insurance of £125 or £750 if you select this option. The self-shipping options means you need to pay the postage yourself and ship your device directly to us. This includes return shipping. All repairs come with a satisfaction guarantee, and we aim to process most repairs typically within 1 to 3 days. What's included with the track service? SMS and email notifications. Collection. Inclusive item tracking. £150 or £750 inclusive compensation for loss or damage. Check the status of your delivery. Delivery to safe place available, as well as delivery direct to a post office branch with local collection. We look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, we have a 24-hour live chat service available.